What's up techies, Fluffy here, and today we're diving into the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's surprisingly stylish. But is it worth your wrist space? Let's find out. Now let's talk display. You're looking at a 1.72-inch AMOLED with 326 ppi and 60 Hz refresh. It's bright 1500 nits bright, so even under the Manila sun, you're good. Moisture-resistant touch? Check. It's responsive, even with sweaty fingers. Everything clicks together with that satisfying snap. Minimalist but premium. Calls, texts, calendar alerts all on your wrist. Quick replies like "on my way" are just a tap away. And with Xiaomi Smart Hub, you can control your music, camera, even your lights. It's like a mini command center. Battery life? Stellar. 21 days on typical use, 9 days with always on display, and when it's low, a 1-hour USB-C charge gets you back to full. Plus, over 200 watch faces and 5 mini games, you'll never get bored. Morning jog? Snap on the silicone strap that the Band 10 adapts to your day and your drip. That's versatility you don't usually get at this price point. At 2,499 pesos, the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 punches way above its weight. The ceramic edition, 2,999 pesos during the early bird promo until the 3rd of July. It's available on Shopee, Lazada, and Xiaomi stores starting the 4th of July. We're giving it a solid silver. It's not perfect, no built-in GPS, and the UI could be snappier but for the price, it's a stylish, feature-packed fitness hub that just works. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. I'm Fluffy for techbeatph.com, driven by tech, powered by people. Catch you in the next one.